Hello everyone, wishing you a relaxing day, full of positive energy and inspiration with your familiar potted plants. Today, I will share with you a rather special method of propagating roses. After following the correct technique, you will see the rose cutting develop strong roots, vigorously sprout new shoots, and adapt very quickly after planting in the growing medium. First, choosing the rose cutting is the most important step. You should choose a healthy, disease-free cutting with a moderately mature stem, not too young and not too old. After selecting a satisfactory cutting, remove all leaves and sharp thorns. This helps reduce water loss through the leaves and limits fungal diseases from thriving during the rooting stage. Next, trim the rose cutting to about 15 centimeters. This length is sufficient for the cutting to retain vitality, but not so long that it disperses energy during the rooting process. Once the branch has been neatly prepared, we begin the rooting process using an egg and lemon mixture. Ache 1 chicken egg, wash the outer shell, and separate the egg, white, and yolk into 2 different cups. In this method, the egg yolk is used because it contains a lot of protein, lipids, and trace elements, which help nourish young tissue cells and support root formation. Next, prepare a fresh lemon, wash it, cut it in half, and squeeze all the juice into the cup containing the egg yolk. Stir well with a spoon to completely mix the lemon juice and egg yolk. The mild acid in the lemon helps clean the cut surface, limit bacteria, and stimulate faster callus formation. Gently soak the rose branch in this mixture for about 15 minutes, ensuring the base of the branch is in direct contact with the solution. After soaking, move on to the next rooting step using orange peel. Prepare a fresh orange, wash it, and peel off the outer skin. Finally, chop the orange peel and place it in a clean glass jar. Orange peel contains natural essential oils and a small amount of vitamin C, which provides mild antibacterial properties and creates a pleasant environment for the rose cuttings to adapt. Chop the remaining lemon peel into small pieces and add it to the same jar with the orange peel. Add about 200 milliliters of clean water and stir well. Remove the rose cuttings from the egg-lemon mixture and soak them in the orange peel solution for about 15 minutes. At this point, the cuttings are cleaned, nourished, and the risk of root rot is naturally reduced. Once the soaking process is complete, prepare a rooting medium using paper. Take a clean plastic cup, tear up some soft toilet paper, and put it in the cup. Then, filter the orange peel solution used to soak the cuttings and pour it into the paper cup. Letting the paper soak for about 5 minutes. The paper will then act as a moist, clean, and well-ventilated medium, ideal for the formation of new roots. Next, place the soaked paper into another small plastic cup, pressing gently to create a firm base. Use a stick to make a small hole in the center of the paper cup, just large enough to insert the rose stem. Wrap the base of the rose stem with 2 to 3 layers of soft toilet paper, then gently place it into the small hole. Gently press around the stem to secure it, ensuring it stands firmly but isn't tightly bound. Finally, cover the plastic cup tightly with a clear plastic bag, creating a greenhouse effect to retain moisture and maintain a stable temperature. Place the cup in a cool, well-ventilated area with soft, diffuse light, avoiding direct sunlight. After about 10 days, you will begin to see noticeable changes. Thick, white roots will appear around the base, growing evenly and healthily, firmly attaching to the damp paper. Simultaneously, new, plump, green, and vibrant shoots will gradually emerge on the stem. This indicates that the rose stem has adapted well and is ready for planting in a growing medium. At this point, you can gently transfer the rose cutting to a larger part. Using a loose, porous substrate such as treated coconut fibre to promote root growth, prevent waterlogging, and limit fungal diseases. Before concluding, I want to emphasize that the success of rose cutting propagation lies not only in the materials, but more importantly, in the patience and meticulousness in each small step. When you understand the effect of each step, listen to and observe the plant, the rose will respond with strong vitality and sustainable growth. From a seemingly simple cutting, you can create a healthy new rose plant, ready for vibrant flowering seasons ahead. I wish you success in applying this method and always find joy and relaxation in every moment of caring for your garden. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye and see you again.